Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Cyprian and today I would like to speak while enjoying the beautiful sceneries from the road about cryptocurrency and tracking. Yeah? Are you familiar with XRP token? That they are saying that is the future and that it will going to reach some insane amount, some insane prices. I don't know about that, but let's pray for the best. So if you know cryptocurrency XRP, it was made and is made by Ripples, and they made this token a couple of years ago with the technology to replace SWIFT transfers. So SWIFT transfers, they are used now to move currency between states over the borders and across the globe. Yeah? A couple of years ago, I was working in a bank, and SWIFT, yeah, it's the truth that it's usually made and they are using SWIFT to move money between countries. And if XRP will going to replace that type of transfer, and XRP will be meant to be to transfer currency, then yeah, the price will going to go sky high. You never know how high it will go, but from my researches, XRP is not the only token or the only cryptocurrency that was made to do that. If you know, the H bar has the same technology like the XRP, and XRP may have I don't know how to say, like a guy that will going to do that instead of XRP is the H bar coin. The H bar coin has the same infrastructure as XRP, and who knows who will going to replace SWIFT transfers, because okay, SWIFT transfers, they are a bit slow. If you are like transfer money from I don't know, like US dollars, even inside of the European Union, if you are transferring 10,000 US dollars from Belgium to Germany, that transfer will going to cross through US banks. So they have like a correspondent bank that will have to allow transferring that amount. And that amount to transfer from Belgium to Germany, $10,000, it was going to take like 3 days, 3 business days. If you're going to do it Friday, you're going to have those money Thursday afternoon, if not even Wednesday. So that's slow. In these days, that's slow. When we are speaking about transferring inside of European countries from European Union 10,000 euros, yeah, that's faster. Maybe you'll have it like the next day. You'll have the amount in your account. Maybe if you are lucky and if you are making an urgent transfer, that means a higher fee, and you're supposed to do that not later than 11 a.m. You're going to have the amount in the other country's bank in the same day in the afternoon. But as we are speaking about US dollars, moving US dollars inside the European Union, it's not that fast. And if XRP or H bar will go take over those transfers, then that will be so fast. so fast, like minutes, not more than 30 minutes. Even euros, you can use XRP to move euros, because you can like exchange, yeah, to buy with euros. You can buy also XRP. That will be a fast forward money transfer. Not more than 30 minutes, and 30 minutes is a little too much for cryptocurrency transfers. So imagine that if you're going to buy today, even today, because today XRP is around 2.9 dollars, one XRP, US dollars, yeah. They say that XRP it's meant to reach 1,000 a token. Some other guys that they are having large amounts, and they are custodians for XRP. They are offering service for custodian service, like they are keeping your XRP without any risks. They are offering you solutions for mitigate the taxes, for covering your risk of, I don't know, if someone is going to sue you, they can take your XRP, and they are holding your keys for having access to those XRP. They say that it's not a matter on if, it's a matter of when XRP will going to hit 10,000 US dollars. That's unreal for now, because XRP is not more than $3. And as I was researching the market, XRP is fighting to go higher than $3. So the historical high, it was 3.6, 3.7 something. But now it's under $3. But still, the ETFs were not approved. They're supposed to be approved somewhere between October and December. And when the EFTs will going to be approved for XRP, they say the price will have a bull run to at least $50. Yeah. Now, all the crypto market is on the downside. It's on bullish, yeah. It's bullish, bull run to the down, yeah. Not the bull run, the bear run. So it's bearish, not bullish. Bullish is up, bearish is down, yeah. So don't forget to like, subscribe if you want to see more subjects about tracking, crypto. I'm new in this world too, in the cryptocurrency market. I don't know much, but I can tell you what I know so far. And if you want to teach me more, comment down below, subscribe and like my channel to go to the moon with XRP, because the US dollar domination, it's about to go down, guys. The inflation is sky high. If the Saudi will decide not to accept just US dollars for buying oil, for the countries to buy oil, then US dollars will going to have what? A bearish run down, yeah? Because the gold standard was revoked by the Nixon administration somewhere in 1970s, yeah? So when the dollar was having behind the gold standard. Now actually the dollar is it's kept The value is kept by the oil. The Saudi, they are accepting just US dollars in exchange for the oil, and all the countries from the globe are buying and making reserves of US dollars for buying oil, a barrel. Yeah? When that will not going to happen, the US dollar will have a strike down. Yeah. So take care. That was a small chit chat about gold standard, about cryptocurrency, about XRP, and about life. Yeah. So take care, guys. Keep it down. Keep the pedal to the metal and work hard. See you on my next one. Bye bye.